see the pilot now?
Dave is right. Owner best manners.
Hey guys, so we are in the limousine right now, heading to the helicopter tour. We're going to the helipad.
Make it fast.
Is this your first time doing it?
Yeah.
I'm excited.
Where you guys from?
Jamaica.
Oh, okay.
Where are you from?
LA.
Oh, so you came here just for the helicopter tour?
Yeah, I came here to get away from my parents.
What are they doing to you?
They're just being a mother and a grandmother.
Yeah.
You know, just hard on their only son.
Bit too much, huh?
I want to take a vacation.
Okay.
Not the easy way. And now every ghetto technician has a digital.
Black parents are hard on their kids, right?
I guess I come to the right place.
Just like his namesake. Back during
You came to the right place.
government came to my
You guys, so you guys are a couple?
Yes.
That's nice. You guys came all the way out here from Jamaica?
Yeah.
That's nice. My mom just went to Jamaica last year. She said it was really beautiful and it was nice.
You should go there.
Yeah, I haven't been there yet.
Nice girls are there.
Definitely light green vegetation.
Nice girls and beautiful, nice food.
Of course.
All the good stuff.
Yeah, my mom was in Jamaica for like a week. She loved it too.
Yeah.
So hopefully, I'll be able to go.
Yeah, you can come.
Yeah.
So we're actually on the street now heading to the helicopter pad. That's the Venetian Hotel. Are you excited, Shandon?
Yep.
I'm excited too. This is my first time driving in a limo. Is it your first time, Shandon?
You never know.
This is nice. Is it your first time?
No.
No, you're in America, so I'm sure you have. This is so nice. I like it.
This will be my first time flying, but
In the helicopter, okay.
yeah,
It was on our bucket list, so we came here. We said, you know what, let's get it done.
definitely.
Where are you staying?
The Westgate Hotel.
Oh, we saw that one when we were booking.
Further, is that way, right?
Yeah, the Westgate. It's right around here.
Yeah.
Where you guys staying?
Treasure Island.
Oh, Treasure. Oh, that's right on the strip, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because we're not from here, we want it to be on the strip.
Exactly. You guys like Treasure Island?
Yeah, it's clean and nice.
Clean,
Okay. You guys gamble or anything?
No, we're not gamblers. That thing will take away all your money.
Yeah. Fortunately, it will.
Because you keep going. Like,
Yeah.
I'm gonna get it the next time.
You gotta like jump in, jump out.
There guys. Oh, good. Yeah. Just coming out of the limo, you know? Yeah. Hello. Two and I guess them. Yeah.
Oh,
two.
wait, so is it a party of both of us?
Yeah.
But a different reservation from that one?
Yeah.
Okay, let's hold up here for me. All right, everyone, welcome to Papillon Helicopters. If you can get your IDs out, I'll get you to check in. Party 2, and then is the party 3? 1 and 2?
Shit.
We didn't carry our IDs. We left it at the hotel. Yeah.
Gonna do the helicopter tour.
Finally. This is exciting. We almost never get to go on it because we might have to go. We left our IDs. Well, I left my ID, but it's a good thing we had it on our phone. So we're just waiting on the safety measures and then we'll be off.
Yep.
Stay tuned. So we are heading to the helicopter now. We're in the bus. Are you excited, Shandon?
Yeah. Shelley, for the 100th time, yes.
Guys, I'm so excited. Stay tuned. Guys, you can see because I have we're
Because of
finished
the amount of
and going
time.
to the
Okay.
strip.
You're welcome.
Yeah, my face is drying out.
But I don't think it's.
So we're in a Benz bus, guys. Benz.
Oh, this is the Tropicana.